Hello there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening to you from wherever you're watching from. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Extensiveall Plus. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to connect two systems together, one for EasyWorship, one for vMix and OBS. I'm going to show you how to do it in vMix and in OBS, how to connect two systems together without LAN cable, without using extend on your EasyWorship systems. Some systems don't actually extend without detecting a second screen like TV or projector. So I'm going to show you how to do this even if it's not detecting a TV and projector. Stay tuned, don't forget my name, Joseph Olasukoni. This is Extensiveall. Alright, so this is the system I'm going to be using, and we want to first open something called vMix desktop capture. This is a vMix desktop capture. I'm going to be needing vMix desktop capture to transfer it from this EasyWorship system to my other system. In case you don't have vMix desktop capture, you can go to your browser and just search vMix desktop capture on the browser. You should see a link that goes to vmix.com, the vMix official website. That's it over here. Download vMix desktop capture. So once you just enter it, you will see vMix desktop capture download for Windows. Now there's OMT desktop capture and there's NDI desktop capture. Yes, there's OMT and NDI from vMix 29. They started OMT, which we're not going to be going into today. We're going to be using the NDI. So just go to download vMix desktop capture 23.0.4 for Windows and download. Install it like you install any other software, and I'm not going to download it because I already have it. So I'm just going to open my EasyWorship 7. Yes, this is my EasyWorship 7 opened, and once I open my EasyWorship 7 right here, just cancel this and adjust it to the way I like it. I think this is the first time I'm opening EasyWorship on this particular system. Yes, I'm using two desktop today, so let me just categorize it the way I want. Okay, so go to the edit options. We're going to be changing this to NDI. It's in monitor 2 right now, so change to NDI and click on OK. So that's the NDI we're going to be sending. Yes, click on OK. But once that is done, display any song here. Let me display the song, Come to My Soul, Blessed Jesus. The vMix desktop capture is currently on 0 connections, but don't worry about that. Now this is the system I'm using for my vMix. I'm going to open vMix on it now, and I'm going to add the NDI from the other system, which is loading. Okay, I just set it over here, the second system display. I can see the display 1, display 2, and the rest like that. So I'm just going to click on EasyWorship Live, and you see your EasyWorship Live. Yes, over here you see EasyWorship Live, and then this is it over here. So you can see this system is currently, because it doesn't have Wi-Fi, the desktop doesn't have Wi-Fi card. The Wi-Fi card is burned, so it's currently connected through LAN cable. But the other system is connected to the Wi-Fi. I'm going to show you on the other system when I'm there. Also, it's connected through Wi-Fi, not LAN cable. So this one is just for the LAN cable alone. So I'm going to go to the other system, and I'm going to change the song that is being displayed, and so that it's changing on this EasyWorship system. It's changing on this EasyWorship, this vMix system rather. It's changing on the vMix system. As I'm changing it on the EasyWorship system, it's sending here changing on the vMix system. Also, it's changing on the vMix system. That's how it's connected together. You don't need extend. You don't need Wi-Fi. If I can just set it to NDI, not monitor 2 this time around, set it to NDI, it's going to be connected to it. Now there's some reasons why it's not going to actually connect together. There's some reasons why when you set your EasyWorship system to NDI, it's not going to sit on the vMix system. Now this is what I'm going to. It's possible it's being blocked on the firewall. So I'm just going to go to firewall. You see Windows Defender firewall on the EasyWorship system. Then you go to advanced setting. And then in the inbound rule over here, in the inbound rule, you look for your EasyWorship 7. There should be EasyWorship 7 once you have accepted public access. So make sure your EasyWorship 7 is in allow all connection. And click on OK. The other one also is in allow all connection. There is a private and public server to allow all connection. The way I knew this trick was because I connected to someone's system remotely, and then I was being asked to connect the EasyWorship system on one soft system to vMix on the other system, and the EasyWorship system could not extend because system at times you can't extend it in using Windows P without the system identifying a second system, identifying a second screen rather, like a projector or a TV screen. It's not going to extend. So I was able to join both of them together. I was able to connect both of them together using this method. I noticed in the firewall the EasyWorship was blocked on the firewall, the inbound rule I just showed you. So I allowed all access, and then once I put in the vMix desktop capture on the EasyWorship system and I changed the output to NDI, Bible show also worked. I changed it to NDI, and then was able to transfer to the other system. Wi-Fi, not even LAN cable this time around. Wi-Fi. I also tested this through OBS, and this is my OBS over here, which is opened. They asked me to update my distro AV, so I just said okay, install updates, and let me install the updates quickly. It's in the GitHub, you know, the way you install your the way you update your NDI. But then I said let me try to do it without the installation. So I'm going to see my NDI source, click on OK, and then my source input, you can see it over here, is even there already. This is EasyWorship Live, EasyWorship Live, and click on OK in EasyWorship Live. Then you should see my EasyWorship. Make it full screen. Right click on it, and in transform you should see fits to screen, and yes, this is it, working perfectly, seamlessly is working seamlessly. And so if I'm changing my output on the other system, should be changing here. So if I'm changing the songs on the other system, the EasyWorship system, should be changing here. So this is how you connect two systems together, one for EasyWorship, one for vMix or OBS. And try this out. Let me know in the comment section any issues you encountered. Can help you as best as I can. Please like this video, comment, share. This is a new YouTube channel I'm trying to run over here. My other channel, Extensiveall, had issues, so I'm still going to be live streaming on it every Sunday evening. I'm going to live stream on it in West African time around 8 o'clock, probably 8 p.m. every Sundays, and I'm going to be posting my normal videos here. Yep, so thank you very much for watching. My name is Joseph Olasu. Call me. See you in my next video.